Hey, what's going on everybody? I hope you are all fine. Today we are going to talk about conditional rendering. So let's delete a couple of things. We don't need all these things here. Console bye bye here. What is this here? I don't want. Why do I have this here? Okay, don't want this. The change, bye bye. Component did mount, did update, bye bye. Constructor, don't need this. Let's uncomment this, right? And let's write here situation. Let's put the false, right? Now, when we render something, for example, when we have a situation, we want to bring specific things. For example, let's put, before putting, why don't we start the server? What I'm doing? PM start. Okay, we are ready to continue. Now guys, let's say if this dot state dot situation is exactly equal with false, what we want to see. Let's create here h1 Sarah and h2 h1 again Nick. Right, cool. So copy. So not dot else. We want to return it, guys. I forgot to put the return. We want to return, copy this, comment all this right now. What we are gonna do, also put return here. Look what is gonna happen. We are going to see only the Sarah. The reason, because we say if this dot state dot situation equal with false, with which it is false, we want to return the Sarah. Okay, it's false. Look here. If we put here true, look, it's gonna change the situation. We see that Nick here. Let's put again false. Okay, there is no need to make all these things. We can make only these things in order to do specific things. For example, to close a number, as you saw in my tutorials. So now what does it mean? Why it brings Nick if we have? Because by default this dot state dot situation inside an if, it brings the true always as first argument. In order to have false, you have to put this. Now it's correct, right? And you can change here your situation. You can put for example true. Okay, you see the opposite. Okay, this is one way. Let's go to another way. Go inside, put curly brackets, just write this dot state dot situation, right? We want Okay, by default it brings true this. Just put here this and write. If it is false, what we want? We'll copy. We want to bring this. Else, what we want? We want this. Look now, what's gonna happen? And we bring Sarah, right? Okay, if I not. Okay, brings Nick now. Now, if as we told you previously, it's like this, the same process. Okay, now this is the second way. Let's use a third way. Let's comment this. A third way is here. We can write return this dot state dot situation and we want Sarah. Okay, and we'll copy this, right? It does not bring this because by default this means true now. In order to have it false, we have to put this. Look, it brings Sarah, guys. Right. Okay guys, this was a tutorial about conditional rendering. You will see all this in project. Only in project I believe you can understand it better. This was just an introduction and showing you some ways. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next tut. And don't forget guys to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.